In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify domain on Shopify. All providers. Start by opening your Shopify admin. From the admin dashboard, head down to Settings, then open the Domain section. This is where you manage everything related to your store's web address. If you need a new domain, click Buy New Domain. Shopify will show you a list of available extensions along with their yearly pricing. Take a moment to compare options. Some extensions have a lower first-year promo price and a higher renewal, while others have a consistent annual cost. Pick the extension that fits your brand and budget, then select the one you want to proceed with and click Buy. You'll land on a confirmation page where you'll be asked for your domain contact details. Enter your legal name or business information and address, choose your country or region, and review any options like domain privacy and auto-renewal if they're presented. Privacy helps keep your contact details off public records when included, and auto-renewal helps you avoid accidental expiration. Read and accept the terms. Verify that everything in the order summary looks correct, and continue. Next, choose your payment method and click Buy Domain. If your payment method isn't eligible for this purchase, or you decide to use a domain you already own, no worries. Go back to the Domains page and choose Connect Existing. Type your domain name exactly as registered and click Next. Shopify will now guide you through verification. You can select Manual Setup or Connect automatically. With Manual Setup, Shopify shows the DNS records you need, typically an A record and a C name, to add at your domain provider. This option works with every registrar, though you'll add the records yourself. If your provider supports it, Connect automatically is faster. Click Connect automatically, then choose your registrar from the list. For example, if your domain is at Cloudflare, click to log in to your Cloudflare account and authorize access so Shopify can create the required DNS records on your behalf. Follow the prompts until the connection is confirmed. After you complete either method, return to the Shopify Domains page. Verification can take a little time as DNS updates propagate. You'll see the status move from in progress to verified and connected once everything is set. If it's taking longer than expected, double-check that your DNS records match what Shopify provided or that the automatic connection completed successfully, then try the verification again. That's it. Your domain is now verified on Shopify, whether you bought it through Shopify or connected it from another provider.